probably is. Welcome to my channel. Okay, so today I'm not gonna do too much. We're just gonna eat a little bit. We're gonna talk about the new year, what we're gonna do. You know, it's a real cute video, really simple, really short. So this is our food today. I got white rice. I don't know if you can see that. I got white rice, broccoli and shrimp, and then I got this thing of lemonade. I went to the mall. I got some cinnamon nuggets, so I'm gonna eat that for dessert. But yeah, we're just gonna chat it up a little bit, talk about our plans, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Give me a second now. Give me a second. Tear this shit up. Okay. So it's my channel, everybody. Welcome, welcome. Why I started this channel? I started this channel because I was bored, and I was like, you know what? I think I should make a YouTube. Like, I think I can come up here, make people laugh, just be myself, and just have fun. Like, I'm thinking about this for, I'll say, a year now. I've been holding back on it because I didn't think I was like ready, because like I know it's a lot. So I did just want to hop on it and not be really ready, but I think it's ready. You know, it's a new year, so I think I'm ready. This channel is going to consist of me talking a lot, eating a lot, unpopular opinions, FAQs, just a whole lot of stuff. Oops. But this channel will not have like pranks, won't have any stuff like that. Maybe some vlogs, maybe some gaming. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Like, nothing too serious, nothing to sit down and pay close attention to. You know, we'll sit here and enjoy ourselves, and that's how it's gonna go. That's it. I'm sorry, y'all. This food hitting the spot. I didn't eat all day. I was real hungry, but yeah. 2020 has been a trying year for everybody. You know, it's been a trying year for everybody. You know, everybody's been through their stuff, bounced back from what 2020 threw at them. But you know, we're in the new year now, so everybody should be trying to get back on their feet and get their stuff together. And that's pretty much it. 2020 for me, it was a 5 out of 10. And it's a 5 out of 10 because I still made it. Like, I'm still here. My family's still here. My friends are still here. So there's some good that came out of 2020. School was not it. I went to my senior year wearing a mask, not being able to see all of my friends at once, having to be 6 feet apart. I'm not gonna sit here and say I'm traumatized, oh my God, but it definitely like had an effect on me. Had an effect on everybody too, but yeah, definitely did something to us. Honestly, I feel like my senior year is going. I feel like prom probably not gonna happen. I feel like any senior trips out the window. It's gonna sit here, gonna tell us we're gonna be out of school for 2 weeks. And before you know it again, it's gonna be summertime and we already graduated. I'm not trying to manifest it and put it out into the air, but let's be real. Last time they said 2 weeks, we didn't come back to school until September. I'm just saying. I'd be realistic. I don't know, but I was in school. Quarantine was whack. It was not easy. Excuse me. It was not easy staying at home with family for that long. It was not easy. Seeing them every day, every second of the day. It was not easy, but I made it through. The only person that was really keeping me sane was probably my boyfriend and my best friend. Without them, I would have probably jumped off the roof, did a backflip off the roof, because quarantine, at my house at least, was not it. Come summertime, things did get better. You know, we still were basically in quarantine, even though they said it was basically lifted. We was basically still in quarantine. Like, people still had to wear a mask. Like, it wasn't all COVID free. Like, it wasn't like that, but whatever. Anyways, enough talk about 2020. It's over. It's done. This year, my goals for this year. My goals for this year are not only to continue being a better person, but to help people around me become a better person too. I'm horn, but I see myself as a very selfless person. You know, I can see somebody who needs help and put what I'm doing aside for a second and help them out. You know, if they really need it, I just see like myself as that person. You know. I'm sorry, I'm so hungry. Glory be to God. Plans after graduation. To be honest with y'all, I'm not a college person. I don't want to go. I don't see the point of it. I just see college as a scam. Just want to take your money, make you study 4 years to get something, or however long to get a degree, or whatever it is. You walk out, yeah, it's working at McDonald's. That's how I see it. That's how I see it. Okay, I'm not gonna say it's pointless or there's no point of it, but I feel like certain career paths you want to take, then yeah, college is for you. But I don't know, certain career paths, I feel like you don't need to go to college for it, or you don't need to do the intense type of schooling that people usually go through. That's just me. People ask me, where are you going to college? What are you majoring in? I tell them, like, I don't think I'm going. Like, it's not for me. Like, I already don't like school. I stopped back in school in middle school. I didn't start failing. I didn't start, not passing classes. I just passed my classes to get through, but I don't like school. And when I tell people that, they're like, oh my goodness, she doesn't like school. Like, yeah, I don't like school. I go. Because I have to. I don't like school. I don't enjoy it. I don't like nothing about school, to be honest. So why would I go and do another 4 years? No, ma'am. No, ma'am. I'm not doing that. hopefully this YouTube thing does good. Hopefully my business grows. And the rest of 2021 goes as follows. It just goes. Whatever happens, happens. Whatever doesn't, doesn't. That's it. That's all I gotta say. I hope y'all come back. I really want y'all to come back because this channel is gonna be lit. There's gonna be some stuff on it. If you already subscribed, I love you. If you didn't, I still love you. But subscribe, duh. But yeah. Anyways. But anyways, everybody, have a happy New Year's. Do good this year. Be productive. That's it. And that's all.
Bitch, I got bitches. Bitch, I got bitches.